Hello friends, today we are going to see Steel Strips Wheels Limited and Wheels India Limited. Friends, why I chosen these two stocks means, friends, whichever sales of two wheelers, three wheelers, four wheelers, trucks, anything, there are so many companies, but the main component of four wheelers, two wheelers, heavy vehicles, and everything is wheels. That is the wheels which was manufactured by Steel Strip Wheels and Wheels India. These two companies in India manufactures wheels and done its internal home business and international business also. Friends, among these two, they have some disadvantages and advantages also. And coming to Steel Strip Wheels manufacturers, automotive steel wheels since 1991, and its products range comprises wheels for passenger cars, multi-utility vehicles, tractors, trucks, OTR vehicles, as well as two and three wheelers, and European and US high speed trailers and caravans. Caravans means the vehicles which are used by heroes and top officials. Those are called caravans. These are not very famous in India but famous in US and Europe. In India, movie heroes, heroines, they are using these caravans. During this COVID time, caravan sales are increased. That means individual transport in by land, inland by vehicle, that is caravans travel, and by air chopper travel is increased. With this, caravan sales are increased during COVID time. That means wheels for caravans also increased. With that, supply and demand policy, we, that means Steel Strip Wheels India Limited got so many orders from US and Europe. In July and August itself, it got $237,000 from US and 138,000 euros from Europe and 209,000 from US market and $1.3 million from US. Friends, these are which done in July and August, and we hope Q2 results of this Strip Wheels India Limited is very good. And the positive side of this company is they decreased their pledges and they increased their promoter shares 61.65 and increased to 62.85 promoter share, and they decreased their pledges from 50.88 to 46.59. These two are also looking very good, and we can expect like 3,325 crores in financial year 2021 by selling 1 million alloy wheels. Friends, this is the track record up to now, and we expect this will reach 799 rupees of 52-week high, which was occurred September 2019, and due to COVID fall, it reached its 52-week low on May 2020. But we can expect it will reach in this year itself to its 52-week high because of its strong buy orders of wheels. And coming to Wheels India, Wheels India is a company promoted by TVS Group and India's largest auto component manufacturer production of vehicles for commercials. And its products are wheels, air suspension division, energy equipment parts, and heavy engineering parts fab divisions. Friends, its wheels means two wheelers, three wheelers, trucks, light vehicles, trailers, trippers, buses, everything, friends. But one thing that we have to look is Wheels India promoter share decreased from 63% to 55.1%. Friends, there are two ways to analyze it. They want to money during COVID, so they can sell their promoter shares and they gather money. This is one thing to increase their business, and another thing is they decreased their part of promoter shares, looking the growth will somewhat long. That's I am thinking. So friends, thank you for subscribe my channel, following me, and share my channel, friends. And among these two, steel strip wheels looking very good, and we can add this in our portfolio also.